Minas é o lugar, velho.
O maluco aqui de Minas, nem manda em Minas, nem embora pro Rio.
É porque não tem personalidade. We're from Brazil.
Oh, good. Yeah.
We are studying and working
Great
here.
country.
Yeah.
Yeah. You studying?
Yeah, we are studying.
Good. Go back here. Go back here.
The next station is West Irving.
We're gonna go back to Brazil.
Have you finished your study?
Yeah, yeah.
Beautiful country.
Yeah, it's warm there.
All the time?
In the region where I live, it never snows.
You don't?
No, never.
My country's not.
But where he lives, it snows because he lives in the far south of the country.
Okay. Well, y'all going to school over here?
Yeah, we're studying English here and working in the Rainforest Cafe there in Grapevine.
Okay. Have you had an opportunity to go to any other cities like DC?
No. They are going to New York, but I will not go.
Oh, never different. Wow.
This station is West
You have a good
Irving.
time. It's difficult here. Very difficult. Well, good luck.
Yeah. I wish I could go to New York, but
Yeah, you won't go there.
I will not go there soon.
Wow. Until you get a little older. Then
Yeah.
Then go back to your country after you get your education.
Marcelo é muito especial. Ah, não, Marcelo é velho. É velho?
Because Brazil, by the time you get to be 30 or 40, Brazil will be hard. Right.
Yeah. We are having the Olympic Games there and the World Cup of Soccer.
What about the festival that they have?
What?
They have a festival, like the Mardi Gras.
I didn't understand, sorry.
The festival.
Vegetables. No. Sorry.
Party. Big party.
Yeah.
30 days.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like the carnival you're talking about?
Carnival. Yes. Yeah. Nowhere else in the world like that.
Do you live in Dallas?
Hmm?
Do you live in Dallas?
Yeah. I'm not born in Dallas. I was born in Ohio.
The next station is South Irving
Where
Transit
it's
Center.
cold. It's cold there. Goes back there. Have you been to Houston? Dallas.
Houston is better than Dallas?
Yeah, it's bigger.
Why?
It's bigger. People are different.
Houston is the large city of Texas.
Texas.
Yeah.
When do y'all go back?
I'm gonna go back in 7 days, in a week.
You gonna come back?
I'm gonna go back to Brazil.
Or you gonna come back here?
Come back to the United States?
Yeah.
Only after I finish college in Brazil.
Okay. Alright, good.
And I'm thinking of marrying my girlfriend.
Here?
No, my girlfriend of Brazil.
Good.
She does not know how to speak English. Yeah, I can, but she's stubborn. She doesn't want to learn.
You learn.
Yeah.
But in New York, they have a
A lot of people go there.
Yeah.
To New York.
The one New York.
What?
It's by everybody from all the world.
Yeah. Which city do you like the most here in the United States? Miami, New York, Houston, Los Angeles.
Miami.
Miami's better.
Small city.
Miami's a small city.
Yeah. Let's see. New York.
New York's the best.
Because New York, when you go to New York, you can go to Boston, Connecticut, and Boston, and you can go to Philadelphia, all the surrounding those cities. Just by train.
We were supposed to work in Boston, but
You wouldn't like it. No.
it's too cold.
Yeah, it's too cold. You gotta learn Spanish and English.
Yeah.
You wouldn't like it.
The job that we were going to take there in Boston was didn't happen to.
Yeah.
The next station
So
is
we came to
South
Grapevine.
Irving Transit Center.
But you would have, if you had taken it, say you had taken it, you would have run into more people probably.
Yeah.
By being in Hartford, Connecticut, in New York City.
Yeah, because it's closer to New York.
Yeah.
Everybody wants to go there. It's a big city, you know.
Yeah, but it's
those
wild.
those
It's crazy.
buildings. Yeah.
It's crazy. You don't know where you go. You don't know enough about the city. It's not like here. This is all space. Boston is like this, and, but it's. I think Boston is bigger.
Dallas.
It would be more like Houston.
But Dallas is a good city.
Yeah.
You got everything here in Dallas.
Not like New York, LA.
No, not like.
Chicago.
Chicago's nice.
Hmm?
Chicago's nice.
Yeah. It's big. Big city. It's crazy. Everybody's crazy. They don't talk like on hopefully, well, maybe one day you go and get a chance to go up there to Chicago.
Do you recommend Chicago, New York?
Hmm?
Do you recommend Chicago, New York?
Yeah, I was going up there.
This station is South Irving Transit Center. Please look around and make certain that you've gathered all your personal belongings before exiting the train.
Mas você sabe qual que é o lugar que a gente tem que descer?
Tiradinho na escola.
Já tirou? Pô, nem falei, o pé tá virado.
Ah não, mas saiu coisado. Caiu, tira outro.
Pé tão viado. Tem que segurar com as duas mãos, velho.
Tem que ativar o negócio aí pra...
Ah, esse aí que é o museu?
The next station is Victory Station.
Ah, já tem que ir embora.
Deixa eu chegar ali perto de baixo. Você também, cara. Não vai dar pra ver muitos prédios mesmo. Conversando cedo dormindo. Que gás. Tá filmando, os dois tá filmando. Deixa eu jogar aqui, pô. Nossa, ai meu dedo ainda. Peraí, ó, filha da puta. Aparece aí, doido.
Tira a porra da mesa.
Falei que era.
Vamos. E Ana, American. Eu nem tinha visto essa porra aqui aquele dia.
Vamos, ó, filha da puta, né? Peraí.
Vamos lá agora. Vai se fuder,
agora
meu.
a gente tira depois. Ficou mar? Saiu isso mesmo?
This station is Victory Station.
A outra tá em outra malha.
Aí vão descendo.
This train is bound for
Chegamos em Dallas.